like it's too cold.
Everyone, so it's Bex, and like I said, I was gonna post an IGTV about Tesla, so here it is. So yeah, I'm in my car right now. I'm about to go to the store, but I just wanted to talk a little bit about my experience with Tesla. Honestly, it's been really positive for the most part. The only thing I would say is the battery doesn't really do well in the winter. But other than that, like, I'm so happy. I got the white interior and it's beautiful. And really nice is I've had a few like little things that I had to get fixed with the car, and my warranty, like, it lasts for 4 years, and then the battery warranty lasts for 8. So something also really interesting about the battery is it's all underneath the entire bottom of the car, so that's why I'm able to have a front trunk and a back trunk. And then in the back trunk there's also like a little a section underneath everything, so it's really cool. I can show you guys that another day. It's just raining right now, so I don't really want to be outside and like in the rain, but that's a really cool feature. Also, the roof is amazing. Like, look at this. Like, how beautiful is that? Elon Musk really thought of everything, let me tell you. Between the features and everything, I have a charger at my house, and it's so convenient. If I get low, I just plug it in, good to go. It's like a phone. Even the superchargers charge really fast. It takes about, depending on how low your battery is, like an hour. Not even bad at all, and they're usually by stores, so you just go into the store and you're good to go. Driving this thing, like, it is so fast. Like, I can't even describe it. Like, sometimes I go way too fast. I don't even know. The self-driving is really cool. It has like an auto steer beta testing that I'm in, and that I'm really excited for it to like roll out officially. But the beta testing has been really positive. Also, the car, like, if you have low tire pressure, it knows, like, if one tire is low, it knows, so it'll adjust all the other tires automatically to make up for it, which is really awesome. And then just, I don't know, just everything about the car, like, what else? What can I say? There's so much with this car. It's literally a smart car, honestly, when you think about it. It's, I don't know what to say. I have so much to say. I have a lot of cool features, I guess. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them for you. You can shoot me a DM or a comment, whatever, however you want. I'll get back to you, I promise. Because, you know, I've had this car almost a year now, and I'm really happy, honestly. I would highly recommend it.